guys, it's Moshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in previous video I have done a very nice makeup look, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys what all earrings you can wear on your basic outfit or your any outfits, and it will look stunning and it will make you look very nice and very prettier. It will also enhance your look and it will make your look like more ethnic, more Diwali kind of. So if you want to know what all earrings I'm going to show you, then please continue watching. Guys, the very first earring I have, which is a Chand Bali. It is kind of a silver Chand Bali. It looks stunning. You just wear a white t-shirt and a blue denim. You can top it up with this. This will also look really very nice. If you're wearing a plain kurti like me, I just own a very nice pink satin kurti. With this you guys can just put this Chand Balis and it will make your look so heavy and so rich. I'll just show you. This Chand Bali has this nice diamond work over here and as ghunguru, white ghunguru over here. Like it has white moti over here, which makes the look so stunning. It has diamond hanging, what I can say. I hope you guys can understand that. Also it has this silver kundan work going here, which makes the look so stunning. It is quite heavy, but yes, it is definitely worth buying it. So now moving to the second earring, I have this pretty earring. Isn't it so pretty, guys? Guys, this is a Chand Bali kind of a jhumka. It is really very nice. It looks pretty and totally rich, and you guys can see it is super lightweight and it has moti work going over here, and it has chand like moon hanging, and then it has silver pearls, and at the top it has kundan work going over here, which makes the look so stunning, guys. I'll just wear it and show you guys. These jhumkas are really very nice, really very rich. You guys can wear on your Lucknowi kurtis or your chikankari kurtis. You guys can also top it up with a cream lehenga or cream outfit which you're wearing. You can also top it up on a greyish kurti and it will look stunning and it will make you look more brighter, like more. So the next earring which I have for this Diwali season is ta-da! Guys, this is so pretty. Guys, this is like huge, but it is super lightweight also. It has this silver pearls going all over, and also it has this white moti going over here, and it has this hanger with the moti only, and at the top also it has the same star but in the small size, so it holds the ear properly. And yes guys, this will look super stunning. I have just wore this earring for one or twice, and each and everyone was asking that where I have bought these earrings from, and I'll just wear and I'll show you guys. You guys can wear these earrings on any plain kurti or colorful kurti. Also you guys can pair it up with normal palazzo bottoms, and so you guys can pair it up with western outfits also. This will look stunning on each and everything. Next earring I have is this very nice and very cute colorful jhumka kind of earring. This is slightly jhumka kind of a earring, and you guys can see it has this colorful pearl all over going here, and it has this chand shape and two flowers, and you guys can see. I'll just wear it and I'll show you guys. So guys, the second last earring I have is this very nice oxidized earring. it is not possible without wearing an oxidized earring and complete your Diwali function, because oxidized is so in trending and this is the perfect option. Also you guys can just choose the another color, because this one from Churni Road, and you guys can see it gives you that very nice boho kind of look. I'll just show you guys in depth. It has a pink pearl over here, and it has this pink and green work going over here and moti at the bottom, which is super hanging. It also has this jhumka, small jhumka, and two elephants going over here. So I'll just wear and I'll show you guys. The last thing, that if you're not a person who likes that heavy jhumkas on your ear, then I have a sweet option for you. I have this very nice, very cute chalky earrings. This looks super rich and super cute, like it will look super stunning on your ear. And another option I have, it is from my mom's collection. She had this earring long back and she kept for me. This is a very nice and very cute earring. If you guys can see, it has this back so it doesn't hurt and it lifts your ear also. So I'll just wear it and show you guys. So I hope you guys like and enjoyed the video. Guys, in any way I'm just not telling you guys to buy all the earrings. I'm just showing you guys my collection, and if it helps you, if any way you guys have the jewelry, you guys can top it up in any of your outfit. You guys just need to do mix and match and you're good to go. It will look super rich and super nice on your Diwali function. Guys, till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.